Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening settings right away. Press Windows plus I or click Start and choose the gear. Once done, go to Personalization and select Background. Make sure you're using an account with personalization rights and that your image files are saved in a known folder like Pictures. Also check your display's native resolution so images scale correctly. Don't waste time on preferences yet. The goal is to have settings open and your chosen images identified so you can apply them in the next steps. Now choose the type of background you want and why. Select Picture for a single image, Solid Color for low distraction, or Slideshow to rotate multiple photos. Click Browse to pick a file or choose a folder for a slideshow and set the change interval if using multiple images. Make sure to pick Choose a Fit to control scaling. Fill usually works, but use Span for spanning across multiple monitors. Once you confirm the selection, Windows shows a preview, so you can refine fit and folder choices before finish by confirming the preview looks right. Settings autosave so you can close the window. If you want the same image on the lock screen, go to Lock Screen under Personalization and set that independently. For multi-monitor setups, revisit Choose a Fit and Span options to align images. If the background doesn't change, try the troubleshooting tip. Restart Explorer or reset personalization. Settings right arrow apps, right arrow advanced options if available, and update your graphics driver. That fixes most permission or scaling conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.